Hi guys, welcome back. Today we will make earrings from pipe cleaner. So first you need a yellow pipe cleaner. You have to cut that into 4 parts like I am doing. Then you have to make petals from that. You have to make at least 10 petals. After making petal, we will burn it with lighter, the edges, so it will look more clean and nice. After making the petals, we will make the lower part, which will be from green pipe cleaner. So instead of using Fevicol, I always use glue stick and lighter because I feel it's convenient, but you can use whichever Fevicol you want to. On first we will attach 3 petals together, then later we will keep on adding. There is no right way, there is your way. Always you can choose how many petals you want and how you want it to look like. After adding all the petals, now we will use lighter again to give it a better look. And lighter is also useful to remove the glue which is additional, which we can see on the petals. We can remove that with lighter by giving it heat. So now I am making the middle part, which if you want you can make, if you don't want you can avoid it. I have made the earring in both the ways. You will see further in the video.
So after this you can decorate it as you want. I have added few kundans on the lower part, but you can make it as beautiful as you want. And please do check at the end, I have removed the middle part in that, so you can have a look to that as well.